Hello everyone. Today's topic is how to draw simple schematic diagram in SolidWorks electrical schematic. So I just show you. Uh, Before going to start, we need to cable. That means multiple wires. So I just click here, draw multiple wire, and draw some wires like that. Just a minute. We need to on check all the parameter like snap, object snap, and grid on, and then we can start from here, suppose. And no space there, like from here, so that we got sufficient space. Okay, so here I draw multiple wire at a time. Okay. uh, Also, suppose for example I need to here a symbol like breaker, main breaker. So I need to found here insert symbol. So I go for the insert symbol, then go for other symbol, and search here like circuit breakers, like here I need to circuit breaker symbol, which there are so many symbols here. So I need to check which symbol. So 4 volts magnetothermal circuit breaker, suppose I choose here. I click here, or 4 volts magneto circuit. Also there are different types of circuit thermal circuit breaker. So I choose this and drop this snap point. Okay, suppose I need to give the particular is a ampere rating value, for example 63 amp. Then okay, then replace here. Okay. Okay, same. I need to again to draw multiple line. So for example here to here, drop here. Okay. Okay, is not required, and delete here. Okay, then suppose I need to fuse or relay motor, like another symbol. Same procedure. Before going there, we need to draw, suppose single line, then also possible here. Single line. Okay. Same like uh, by using single line, by using single wire. Okay. After that, here. Okay. So after that, I need fuse, relay, motor, transformer, etc. So same procedure, go for insert symbol and search your symbol, like you need coils, relay, connectors, connector relay. So I need to relay like that, 3-4 power contact, or such a type of different types of patterns here. I choose 3-4 contact. So contact I place here. Okay. So just check that perfect, say settle or not. Okay, after that we need, suppose like few, like disconnected. Suppose I need such a type of that type of suppose I need such a type of use. So I just click here. So I got particular same for rating. Current having suppose 20 and okay, just click and play there. Okay, okay. After that, suppose I need to drop the motor, then check for motor section. Motor here on motor section, you check which type of motor you want. Then I select this and drop particular place. Here also power need, that means 4 point whatever 7.5, suppose 7.5 here particular name. Suppose and another is a two line wiring here. So I choose another symbol like 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 DC DC. Here I choose two pole symbol. Such a type of symbol I choose here. Okay, suppose I want a transformer like low voltage, etc. Then also I need to find same like here power supply related symbol. Here some starter switches to transformer here. So suppose I want this type of transformer, then I just no, but is not change the symbol like pattern like this. Which is like here only point connection. So this is also not use here. I need to another check another. So this is single phase transformer. So I choose this. Okay, so you need to proper search of particular symbol so that easily adapt there. So this one is, and the cross reference jump to next page we will see later. Okay, once important thing is that we need to terminal like um, terminals for the wire, and how to we use here n number of terminals, not a single, so that I go for insert n number of terminal, then click here, then click here, then all terminal, so that immediately immediately I got the different terminal numbers with same numbers of pattern. So otherwise, you need to put single terminal here, like that type of single terminal. So this is time taking. This is that time taking. Okay. So this is our simple schematic diagram by using simple insert symbol, by using a schematic tab, draw multiple wires, draw single wire, insert symbol and terminals. Okay, thank you.